Hi everyone, I'm Lele, and today I'll show you how to quickly create scroll-stopping Instagram Reels using Vizard's Reels editor. Step 1. Upload your video. Start by uploading the video you want to edit. You can drag and drop a local file or paste a YouTube link directly into Vizard. Either way, you're ready to go in seconds. Step 2. Edit your way. Click Get AI Clips and let Vizard automatically generate short-form videos perfect for Instagram Reels. Or if you prefer to customize your content, use Vizard's editing tools to add your personal touch. Trim, add images, logos, text, and more to keep your videos perfectly on brand. Step 3. Export and share. Once your edit is complete, simply hit export. You can download your Reels or instantly share them using a link, ready to post to Instagram whenever you are set. And that's how you turn any video into a standout Instagram Reel.